Hey guys, welcome back to Sectional Music, and today I'm going to show you the chords and some of the rhythm patterns for Sigala with Eyre and Meghan Trainor and French Montana, and the song's called Just Got Paid. It is pretty simple song chord wise, it's only got 4 or 5 chords, but it changes around so much what it's doing, so I'll try and break that down for you so you understand and can play along. If you like what I do, please go to sectionmusic.co.uk. Check out everything there if you want private lessons or anything like that. All the info is on the website, so yeah, you'll be able to find it. And yeah, I'll go to a close-up. Hope you like this lesson. Okay, so the song starts with this really cool rhythm pattern, so I'll show you it. Okay, and it just uses 4 chords, and those are the same 4 chords you're going to find in the rest of the song. So we'll go through those and then I'll show you how to strum it. So it starts with a B minor bar chord, so barring fret number 7 with your first finger, all 6 strings. And then 3rd finger and pinky go on to the 9th fret of the A string, so string number 5 and string number 4. So practice that, make sure all the strings are ringing out nicely. Okay, next chord is going to be a D major bar chord, okay? Okay, and this one, it doesn't really matter if the 2 E strings are making a sound, okay? The important ones are the 4 middle ones. If you can get the little E string ringing out, perfect, that'll sound really good too. So you're going to bar the bottom 5 strings with your first finger on fret number 5. Then 3rd finger is going to play D, G and B, so string number 4, 3 and 2 on fret number 7. Okay, you have to kind of arch your finger like this, your 3rd finger, and then you'll be able to hear this bottom E note there. Okay, and then you slide this shape down, and let's play an F sharp minor 7. Sound pretty cool here. So it's fret number 9, barring the bottom 5 strings, and then you put your 2nd finger on B string, fret number 10, and 3rd finger on the D string, fret number 11. And the last chord here is an E major bar chord, so it's the same as your D major, you just slide everything down 2 frets. Okay, so the 4 chords: B minor, D major, F sharp minor 7, and E major. Okay, the strumming, okay, you have to listen to the song, but it goes, so you miss the 1 beat, 1, da. Okay, so you strum the B minor chord twice, and strum it up. So I can do a ghost strum, so, okay, then you go to the D, so it's down, up, down, 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 and notice how I'm muting after every strum. So B minor, down, and then it's kind of a pause while you slide down to the F sharp minor. So down, like a fake down strum, down, down, up, E, down, up, down, down, down. So really slowly. And by doing that, like ghost strum, the fake strum where you don't hit the strings, that helps you stay in time. So listen to before the B minor chord and before the F sharp minor 7 chord. Okay, and that is the intro, and that will play through twice. Then you go to a kind of build up to the chorus. So the chords are going to stay the same, you're just going to change the order, and you're going to do down, 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 just down strums. So you go to F minor 7, F sharp minor 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, then E major, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, kind of go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that plays through twice. So again, F sharp minor 7, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and just got paid. Okay, and then you get to the chorus. It's kind of like a funk strumming, so your hands are going like all the time. It's the same chords as the build-up, apart from your B minor, you change to a B major. So all you do is your second finger goes on to fret number 8 of the G string, and that makes it into a B major. So listen to the strumming for the chorus, okay, and then we'll break it down. I just got paid. So down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Then change to the E major. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So okay, so listen to the song, see if you can work out strumming yourself. If not, just start with down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, and that will get you by for the chorus. Obviously there's loads of different things going on, but stick with that and then listen carefully, try and listen to what the rhythm's doing, because it changes for each chord, and then see if you can work it out. But down, up, down, down, up, down, down will get you by in this song. Okay, so it plays the chorus twice through, so that you're okay, and then it goes to the Meghan Trainor part. So she is singing different, well, yeah, it's the same rhythm as what we opened with. Okay, but the chords are slightly different. Okay, you're going to stick with this F sharp minor as your first chord, then E, B minor, D. Okay, she's singing it in same key but slightly differently. Okay, so it's go strum, down, down, up, then to your E. Okay, so down, down, up, down, down, and then B minor. Plays that through twice, so no, it doesn't. It plays it through 4 times. Sorry. So go strum, down, down, up, E, down, up, down, down, down. Go strum, then down, up, down, down, down. Okay, 4 times through, and then it goes to the next Ella Eyre part, and you're going to do B minor, and it's the same as the build up before. You're just going to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, so it starts with B minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D and 2 and 3 and 4 and F sharp minor and E, 2 and 3 and 4. It goes through again, B minor, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And it sticks with the same rhythm pattern, so you're going to keep going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but it goes to F sharp minor, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, B minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, F sharp minor again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and E, you're going into the French Montana bit now. So it's going to play the same chords as you did for the Meghan Trainor bit, okay? So when he's doing his rap, it's got like different riffs going on with the bass and guitar. It's quite hard to work out and play along. So the chords just go F sharp minor, E, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can add in whatever strumming you want to do with that. Okay, and that goes through 4 times. And then after that bit it goes to Eyre, and you repeat the first part you did, so the B minor. Okay, so you're pretty much repeating the first part of the song. So you do that twice, and then you go into the original build-up, so that F sharp minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and E and 2 and 3 and 4, and B minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and D and 2 and 3 and 4. Play this twice, so one more time, F sharp minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and E and 2 and 3 and 4, B minor, 2 and 3 and 4, and D and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you go into the chorus, and you play the chorus through right until the end of the song. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. It's a lot to take in, I'm sure, so go back, watch it again, pause it, practice different parts. It'll all help in your guitar playing to practice the different rhythm styles. If you want any private tuition, any requests, or any questions whatsoever, go on over to my website, sectionmusic.co.uk, and get in touch. I'd love to hear from you guys. See you soon.